All right, here's what we're doing today, guys. Shirt grabs and pulls. We'll go over a few different attacks or what they set up, the attacks they set up, and how to defend against those. Hey guys, so you guys been asking about shirt grabs and what to do if someone grabs your shirt. And I'll start off by saying, in and of itself, I was going to translate, this isn't necessarily a threat, right? The grabbing my shirt, unless he's trying to take it off and embarrass me, in and of itself is not a threat. But what it does is it sets up other issues or other things that we need to deal with. And so if he's grabbing me and he's yanking me around, then I need to kind of deal with this problem first. Well, I need to deal with this problem. And a good way to do so is just hit the dude as hard as you can, right? Right? If he wants to hold on to me while I punch him in the face, it's a benefit for me, it's a bonus. Right? But there's strips I can do to this hand as well. I can do a cavalier on this same side hand. I'm going to take my near side hand, I'm going to make a hook with my hand, just hook it underneath that thumb. I'm going to open it up so I can get my other hand, my palm, more importantly, on the back side of the pinky, and put pressure or rotational force on the radius and ulna, and go for either a break or just strip the hand off my shirt. Another option here is I can cap this hand as well, and I can bow out. You know this from a hair pull in level 3. Grabbing on, I can actually do the same thing. Yeah, I can do the same technique here. I can do it on my chest and go for a strip out and break. That's just if he's holding on. If he's holding on and he's going to punch me, this is no longer really my threat. It's the punch that's coming in. So I need to deal with that threat in the best way, or the most obvious way is going to be to cover up. If I have the ability to, I'll also go for a 360 here and go for my simultaneous counter strikes, but it's really dependent on what kind of punches are coming through. If he's just throwing one punch, maybe 360 might be my better option. But if he's a hockey fighter and he's just throwing punch after punch after punch, right, it might be covering up until I can close that distance and isolate that shoulder and control that arm, that shoulder, and then I can sit there and continue on with my fight. So I've dealt with that immediate threat there. We're talking about two hands on the body. Right, again, unless he's trying to rip open my shirt like Superman, not a very big deal. But if he's using it as a leverage point to throw me around, push me to say like the wall here, I can treat this as a choke from the front, level 2 technique with a rotational offense against the wall. My bicep goes up to my ear. I drop my shoulder down, make myself as skinny as possible against this wall. Use my shoulder as a leverage or fulcrum. I'm going to break through his grip or rip my shirt, one or the other, doesn't matter to me. So I'm going to clear the hands off my body out of the way and I can continue on with my fight. So think of it this way. The best way to deal with this problem is someone's just grab your shirt and punch them in the face. They'll probably try to punch you back, so be understanding that's probably going to happen. But it's not the shirt grab in and of itself that's really the threat. It's what it's setting up. There is one angle I want to at least show, but I don't necessarily want to talk about. If you grab like my collar and he's yanking me here. This is choke from behind with the pole with the garrote. Right? The garrote is now the collar of my shirt. If it's a crappy shirt, it might just rip, but if it's like a thick jacket or a thick sweatshirt, it's now choking me, and I deal with choke from behind with a pole. Which we can do another video on, but the question was really more about just grabbing my shirt or grabbing articles of clothing. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe for more content. It really helps us out if you hit that like button. And I'd love to hear what you guys think. Put it in the comments below.